Get heals to Bandora. Bandora gonna die. Jerome is
No,
low.
somebody's on her.
And I promise, baby, I'll give you a call. Next time I'm feeling kinda horny.
Can anybody combat res Mela?
I'm
fucked. I'm fucked.
And if you can't
Okay,
Oh,
that's
one's
gonna
gonna
blow
blow down right
3%.
now.
just lay back
I
and
got
don't
quite a few.
open your mouth. 'Cause I have never met a girl.
Nif down.
Is Nif's...
Who's on Nif's mob?
He's running towards,
there.
I'm on Nif's mob.
Call it. Get them on it.
Well, if corrupt gave a fuck
Let it
about
pong
it,
between melees.
It's on Durn. It's on Durn.
Zig is very low. Zig's hurt.
Russ stack down.
Where's it?
Yeah,
Does the raid know to get on that one?
Tie down.
Should. Motherfuck. I'm getting that other ad if nobody's on it.
There's nothing else to do with it. Pass it to the homie, now you hit it. Cause she ain't nothing but a bitch to me. And y'all know that bitches ain't shit.
Tanking
to me.
2, gonna need an extra healer 3.
Why don't y'all pay attention? Approach it with a different proposition. I'm corrupt. Ho, you'll never be my only one.
Son of a bitch.
This
one's almost dead.
It's gonna blow up in like a second.
Yeah, it's a 3%, 4%. Hunters are gonna get whacked.
Got an ass load of people.
Guess who's back in the motherfucking house?
Raoul is gonna die.
Hoes recognize niggas do too, cause when bitches get scandalous and pull a voodoo, what you gon' do? You really don't know. So I'd advise you not to trust that hoe. Silly,
Turn your mic off.
Put a bitch, knowing damn well I'm too caught up with my grip. Now as the sun rotates and my game grows bigger, how many bitches wanna fuck this nigga named Snoop Doggy? I'm all the above. I'm too swift on my toes to get caught up with you hoes, but see, it ain't no fun if my homies can't.
Gonna blow last time before this goes.
Alright, wherever that rogue is.
Alright, Teek's at 2% here.
Zig is very low.
Putting them on your mob, bro. See if you can pull it back against the wall where I was before it dies. Good, right there's good. Just keep your back to the wall. If Mela has Soulstone, it'd be nice. I'm moving over to Jerome's ad in case he dies. Let me know when yours dies, Raw.
It's dead.
Died.
We need to pull this away from the Warlocks.
We'd like to welcome y'all to
Tell-
the fabulous
tell Jerome
Carolina West. I own this motherfucker, and my name is Tat-Ow. Y'all niggas know who I am. Y'all niggas tearing up shit. But we got something old and something
Dude, he's
new
not
for
gonna
y'all
see. Oh,
tonight.
nice work,
Put
Jerome.
your hand together for Snoop Dogg and Dog, the Dog Pound, and
Healers are gonna have to move because we totally went way the fuck out of range.
I'm still in range of him.
Okay, good.
Does Jerome have aggro on that mob?
Yeah, Jerome.
Oh,
Jerome has
yes.
solid aggro.
Some of these niggas is so
Alright.
deceptive.
I'll heal him
Using
then.
my styles like a contraceptive.
Moving to
No, I'm
Garr.
good on him. He's good.
It's the knick-knack, paddywhack. I still got the
It's
biggest
dead.
sack.
Later,
So
Jerome.
run away,
Later,
run away,
Ads are
cause
dead.
I'm back. Why?
Run Garr.
Jerome made it.
Split 'em up now. Tell me what's going on. It make me wanna holler cause my dollars come in ozones. Known for the break off, so take off your clothes and quit trying to spit at my motherfucking hoes. Speaking
Let's
of
bring it
hoes,
home.
I get to the point.
Let us know if you need help on heals.
Cause I rode you a
Still a
joint.
bit.
Oh,
You
fuck
need
Durn.
potions.
And I'm the big dog. I scratch you
No,
off my balls with my
but Zig
motherfucking
needs
paws. Y'all
Lyra, if you're good, take Zig. I'm
Healing
okay.
Durn.
I'll take care of myself.
coming from is still east.
I'm healing Durn too now
Giving
because
stone
Jerome's
to
ad
Durn.
is dead.
As the world keeps spinning
Yeah, I
to
can
the
take
beat
care of
of
myself
the
too.
This guy's hitbox is nothing. You have to be on his nuts.
Well,
I'm way good on mana.
Just stay on Zig.
Yeah, I know who it is.
Warriors keep battle shout up.
So peekaboo, clear the way, I'm coming through. 1, 2, 3, you can't see me. I'm a G like that, strapped with hit hard tactics. A fucking menace using hoes like tennis rackets. It's on again, it's on and popping. All I see is green, so there ain't no stopping. I wanna see some panties dropping. I'm coming from LA. She used to chill with Dre up in Compton. All I ever could do was use that hoe. Chill out my degrees and quickies and keck. I'm dishing out blues.
Are we looking on
I
the
wish I
bench?
could get a Curse of Doom on there.
Blew one up.
Whoever's blew up, put a Curse of Doom on there. If they're on bench.
All 3 are banished and still being held. I don't know what you're talking about.
Oh, I thought the one said blew up.
It did say Garr's forces one of them. It said he blew one up, but I don't know if he did.
I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. I see still 3. Maybe it's too far away.
Again.
These are still alive.
Far away
Perfect,
then.
perfect.
Yeah, keep
That would
them
be
away.
great.
We'll just make sure the Warlocks keep moving back then.
Our mobs don't really
Still
move.
going faster though.
The dog pound rocks the party. Till when? It don't stop.
45%.
It don't quit for the dog pound click to drop the cat.
We're enraged.
Out of the motherfucking cup, one smoke, so grab a seat and grab your gin and
Out
juice
of
and jack
mana.
up the flip. I flip flop and serve hoes with the fat dick till I die.
Say in raid chat.
Bitches ain't shit. Now I'm the Mac Daddy, Hattie, not known about the city where I'm from.
It's not going down fast enough.
As you groove to the gangster shit. The D-O-double-G, the P-O-U-N-D, the gangster click. Now as the pound break it down with the gangster funk. I can see and I can tell us what the fuck you want. So I legs up the chronic so I can get high. I promise I smoke chronic
Lara,
so
where
the
are
day
you?
that I die.
I got a superior. I got a superior.
Even superiors, dude.
Zig's getting magged.
Alright, Flynn got me a spirit.
Oh shit, he's low.
Oh, that was
Heal Zig.
Back up. 3,000.
He's forcing her up. We got him below half.
Well, do we still have 3, or he's actually blowing them up now?
Still have 3.
I think they're too far away.
Good, good, good.
Zul's bandaging me. That's excellent.
Trying thunderclap. If I can fucking find it.
Anybody have a mana potion for Markin?
Yeah, I can
Yes,
create
I
one
do.
right now.
All right,
I'm right
if you're
on it.
closer to them, do it. Okay.
Thunderclap did not stick.
I got a
he just
potion in
doesn't
30
fuck.
seconds.
Thunderclap did stick. Thunderclap is sticking on Garr. 10% speed reduce.
Excellent. Was that stack? If more than one person does it?
Well, I guess getting resistance live.
Back to the G's. Freeze. Had ease.
Tell me when you do
Now
yours.
let me drop some more of them keys. It's
there we
199
go.
trace, so let me
Done.
just play.
Just spam it. Spam it every time you have the rage for it.
But this time I'm gonna hit your ass with a touch to leave motherfuckers in the days.
Alright, who's our backup warrior should Durn die?
Jacks get smacked. It's Snoop Dogg,
Roller.
he don't
Roller
got
Teak.
the top
Whoever
of
gets
the
aggro
stack.
first.
Problem.
Over second, and I'm still checking the dopest motherfucker that you hear
Pray
on the
that that
record
doesn't
is
happen.
me. You see, S-N-O-O-P, D-O-double-G.
We're good. We just gotta stay on this.
I'm fly as a falcon,
Yeah, I think
soaring through the sky. And I'm high till I desire.
Keep Durn up and
So
win.
check it.
That's
I get
the
busy.
bottom
I
line.
make your head dizzy. I blow up your mouth like
It's a fucking incredible idea, Zig.
You can't face me. I'm the S, so yes, I'm fresh. I don't fuck with the stress. I'm all about the chronic, bionic, you see. Every single day chillin' with the D-O-double-G's. P-O-U-N-D, that's my clique, my crew. You fuck with us, we got to fuck you up. I thought you knew, but yet still. You wanna get real, now it's time to feel. You say chill.
Got mana tide in 2
The
minutes.
motherfucking realism. Snoop Doggy Dogg is on the mic. I'm hitting hard as steel.
Honestly,
This is
it really
for the
isn't that
G's and this is for the hustlers. This is for the hustlers. Now back to the G's.
Oh shit.
This is for the G's.
Fuck.
This is for the hustlers. This is for the hustlers. Now back to the G's. How many hoes in your motherfucking
Someone got it right now?
wanna take a ride?
Who's on it? Raul, do you have it?
It's on roll, it's on roll.
Call it, call it.
Healing, healing, healing.
Call it.
About the east side, niggas like myself here to show you where it's at. With my hoes on my side and my strap on my back.
Wow, dude, he slammed the fuck out of me.
Yeah, he just killed the rogues. He just totally annihilated me in 2 seconds.
Fuck. Although I did dodge the first attack.
Yeah, the damage is going to be hurting now because the rogues are just unloading on him.
Well, only one rogue.
Anybody have another mana potion?
Well, he still got the hunters. I have superiors. Who
Two
said
rogues are
that?
dead. 2 rogues are dead.
Who said that? Needs a mana potion.
Martin.
This is for the G's and this is for the hustlers. This is for the hustlers. Now back to the G's. This is for the G's and this is for the hustlers. This is for the hustlers.
man, I
Now
got
back to the
intervening.
G's. Come creeping through the fog.
What's his percent?
East side Long Beach.
20,
7,
15.
I'm rolling with the G funk, bumping in my shit, and it don't quit. So drop it on the one
13.
motherfucker, put together that shit. A nigga with a grip and
Chaining Execute and Thunderclap.
12%. Come on, we got this.
Swing it back, bring it back just like this. And if you with my shit, then blaze up another split. And keep the motherfucking blunt in your pocket low. Cause Doggy Dogg is all about the zigzag smoke. See, it's the West
10%.
where I'm from. And if you want some,
Yeah.
get some bad enough,
9%.
take
Just
some.
got intervened.
But watch the gun by my side. Because it represents me and the motherfucking east side. So bow down to the bow wow, cause bow wow. Yippee yo, you can't see my flow. My shit is dope, original. Now you know and can't
love
no
you,
hood
Primal.
fuck with death risk up. This is for the G's and this
Thunderclapping when I get the raid.
6%.
We got to stay on this.
5.
You guys got this. Come on, just keep roll up.
We got
Roll
it,
up.
we got it.
It doesn't even matter.
All's up.
4%.
We can't.
Oh, yes it does.
We're gonna we get can this. still
What are
lose.
you
We
talking
can
about?
still Come on, very just easily keep lose. roll up. Roll up.
I've got
3%.
1,000 mana left to still reach.
Clap is on.
Fucking
Die.
shit, Donkey Mitch!
Unholy motherfucker.
You got this. You got this.
You're owned, bitch! You're owned!
Come on. Come on.
Die,
Come on.
fucker.
Come
Fucking
on.
shit, Donkey Mitch!
Go,
Come
go,
on.
go.
Fucking shit, Donkey Bitch!
Yes! Woo! Fucking die!